Alright, welcome back all. Another thing you might come across is factorising an expression like this, where you've got a bunch of letters, of pronumerals, and you need to factorise it. Now, this one, you can see, by looking at all of them, they don't all share one common factor at all. So you're going to be factorising them in pairs. What do I mean by that? Well, let's rearrange this. We're going to put the two terms that contain a U at the front. Okay, so let's do that. So we've got UW plus XU contains a U term. So we're going to pair them up. All right. There's multiple ways to solve this one. This is just one example. All right, and then these two terms contain a V. So we're going to put them next. So plus VX and V plus VW. All right, let's factorise the first two terms. So these both contain a U, so we take the U out the front, as we were doing in the last few videos, and then in the brackets we put in what is left over of those terms once the U has been taken out. Because by putting the U out here, we're effectively taking it out of both of the terms at once. All right? So there's a W left in this term once the U's been taken out, and there is an X. We leave the plus in because there's a plus sign here. We leave the X in because the U's been taken out of this term. The second one's very much the same. There's a V in both, so we take the V out the front, and then an X plus W, as you can see, is left behind, is the leftover of these two terms. So when confronted with something like this, this is one example of how you can factorise it. And there are multiple examples, because if you decided to put the X's in a pair and take the X out the front, that would still be correct. And then you would pair these up, you could take the W's out the front. So there's multiple solutions. So this is one example of how you could go about solving this question. Thanks for watching. 3, scaring cows. 2, with a horse nose. 1, let's go.